Where? Portland, Maine. Okay. Wes, we did not set this up. Wes has no idea I'm doing this, but he knows what I'm about to talk about. We got a call this morning from Wes's wife in Portland, Maine. And as of this morning, I think it was 11 a.m. this morning approximately, Wes's wife had twins. Congratulations, buddy. And when do you get to go home? I know you've been on here for a while. When do you leave the ship? 2 weeks you get to go home and see your wife and the babies. He's had a very long contract, which is amazing. You've been on here, what, about 11 and a half months?
What do you mean? What? Hello? Never mess with the sound guy. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had a great... Are we back? He's still messing with me. You can put my voice back.
He didn't like that. You are not the father. Ladies and gentlemen, J.R. McCollum starting in 15 minutes. My name is Eric, your cruise director. Have a great cruise. Good night, everybody!